Well, dito na naman naglalaro ng basketball. Okay. Okay, yan. Gabriel, what will you do?
I can shoot.
Oh, you can
Three bullet shoot.
Okay, come on. Okay. Oh, let me see. Uy! Uy, nakashoot nga eh. Ang galing-galing na bata ito eh. Oh, again. Uy! Uy, shoot ulit. Ang galing-galing na batang to eh. Oh, again.
Let's see if it is correct.
Oh, come on. Oh. Uy! Oh, galing, wala pang miss ah. Oh, galing-galing naman. Oh, galing naman mag-shoot na. Uy! Pass the ball. Oh, shoot! Oh, wala. Oh, come on. Uy! Ang galing oh. Okay. Oh, you saw. No, come on. Oh, no shoot. Okay.
Let's see if it is shoot.
Oh. Wow. Oh, practice again. Oh. 3-point shot. Here. Here. Oh, again. Oh. Come closer. Oh, wow, galing oh. Galit na to. Sino ka-shoot? Galing na ka-shoot. Pag nababad trip kasi ito eh, pag hindi makashoot eh. Oh, gano. Pakita ulit. Oh, shoot again. Uy! Oh, ang galing oh. Oh, ang galing ng bata na to oh. Praktisado oh. Galing ka, hindi pa marunong mag-dribble oh. Come on, practice dribble. Dribble 1. Oh, wow. Oh, come on. Oh. Oh, okay na. Pakita ng ano siya ng. Oh, tingnan nga natin na makashoot siya. Okay.